This selection is a folk tale. It's called Paka and the Beetle. Students read fluently, good readers read fluently with automatic word recognition. All right, so I am going to model that with Paka and the Beetle, a folk tale from Brazil. Listen carefully, I do have a few questions at the end. Follow with me or read along with me. A beautiful red, blue, gold, and green macaw watched a brown beetle as it crawled across the jungle floor. "Where are you going, my friend?" Macaw called out. "I'm going to the sea." Just then a Paka skittered by. "You!" Paka laughed. "You're so slow it will take you 100 years." Macaw looked down. "You shouldn't brag, Paka. Why don't you race him? I'll give a new coat to whoever first reaches the big tree beside the river." Paka laughed harder. "This is no race," he giggled. "You may as well give me the yellow coat and black spots of a jaguar right now." "I will race," Beetle said. "If I win, I would like a coat like yours, Macaw." Paka dashed by and dashed away. And then he thought, "Why should I hurry? I'm so much faster than slow Beetle. I can take my time." He smiled, thinking of the fine new coat he would soon wear. Now when Paka neared the tree, however, he was amazed to see that Beetle was already on a branch waiting for him. Paka gasped. "How did you get here?" he demanded. "I flew," Beetle answered with a smile. "You have wings?" Paka asked. Macaw answered, "Beetle doesn't brag about his wings, but he can use them when he needs to. Beetle is the winner." Paka hung his head and slunk away, still wearing the brown coat with white spots he had always had. Then Macaw smiled at Beetle, and Beetle's hard work began to shine with the colors of Macaw's feathers. The beetle's shell has gleamed with a rainbow of colors ever since. You can see why this is a folk tale. All right, this is a scarlet macaw, and they're found throughout South America. These birds are about 3 feet long from head to tail. This is a borer, or living jewel of Brazil. It's one of the world's most beautiful insects, and people use the wing coverings of its shell in jewelry. And this is a spotted paka. It lives in the jungles of Brazil. It weighs between 12 and 25 pounds and is the world's second largest rodent. So, before I have you pause and discuss the selection with your learning adult, I have a couple questions. Pause the video and have a discussion, okay? And then you're going to do the ones that are in your magazine. So, why does Beetle agree to race Paka? What is the moral or lesson of Paka and the Beetle? Now pause the video and discuss the selection box here. What is the moral? What story details explain it? And then compare with the Raven, the Inuit myth from lesson 20. And how are the character setting and plots alike and different?